almost there! This is the best day ever! It looks amazing! The scales are sparkling now! We make a great team! This is the fun part, getting your hands right in there. Careful, don't drop the spoon. Make sure you cover every piece evenly. It's almost ready. Look how golden brown it is. It smells wonderful. I can't wait to try it. Wow, this is amazing. It's so delicious. Best dinner ever.